Hey Nick, how you doing? It's Leo. Here's the custom web audit video I was talking about earlier today that I was going to get sent to you. I appreciate you taking the time to take a look at it. Again, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. Just try to help bring value and try to help local roofing companies increase their online presence. I know a lot of people don't know who's experts in this field and who's not, so that's why I like shooting these website audits, just to kind of give you a general idea of me and just give you ideas on things that you can do on your own. If you enjoy this video, awesome. If not, no harm, no foul. I won't keep bothering you if it's not something that you don't enjoy. Just reach back out and let me know what you think. Now, here's your site. And it's really not bad at all, man. It's pretty decent. It's on this homepage. You want about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. That this is really not. It's probably one of the better sites I've seen with content. It needs a little bit more content. But not only content, you just can't stuff words in there. You got to have buyer intent keywords, which is something I'll go over with you here in just a second. But just for reference, here is the number one in the map pack for Louisville, Kentucky roofers. I'm going to show you this right here real quick. And I mean, you're actually doing really good. That's why I reached out to you. You're so close to sticking your nose across the line and getting on that first page. Usually 70, to be exact, like 70.49 people don't go to the second page. Usually 75% of people choose within the top three of that map pack. So that's the importance of getting ranked and getting ranked organically, so you can get up there and get those calls. Here's your number one competitor's website. As you see, you are smoking them on the content side of things. And on these back pages here, you want about 500 to 750 words as well, with keywords stuffed in there again, like I was talking about earlier. That was a little short of the 500 and 750. But as you see your competition, I mean, they're way off. Like, you're smoking them in the content department. Now, you probably ask yourself, well, how are they beating you? Well, this tool I use is called Ahrefs or Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, and it shows me, it pretty much breaks down their whole website for me. I know what to look for, and I'm going to show you a few things on here that Google looks for, and that's what Google favors, and that's what helps you organically rank. So if you look here, this is the strength and the trust of their site. This is out of 100, so 34 out of 100 and 5 out of 100. This is the strength of this website URL, and this is the trust. As you see, it's not a lot of trust there. But these backlinks, 2,000 backlinks, and you got 636. Backlink is simply your URL is somewhere else on the internet, on the blog or review page, guest post, something like that, and it's got your URL in it. That is a backlink. It means it links back to your page. Another thing is citations, which is name, address, and phone number. So you put your name, address, and phone number of your business in Yext, Yelp, white pages, yellow pages, places like that will get you a citation, which will help the trust and the strength of your site, get you a backlink, and further help your overall Google ranking. Now, the cool thing about this tool is they've got all these backlinks, so I can go in here and see where they get their backlinks from. I can see where they get them from, and we can go to those websites ourselves and get a backlink for you too, or you can do it yourself. Like I said earlier, keywords. I'm going to go over keywords with you real quick just to put in reference the importance of driving organic traffic. Let me show you something real quick. So they had 2,000 backlinks. They've got 700 organic keywords, okay? This is the organic traffic they're coming. They're getting 12,000 off of this traffic that's coming in extra a month just from free content written on their site. Yours is 37 with 38 organic traffic coming in, totaling that traffic value is around 753, which is not bad. You got some organic traffic coming in, but you definitely want to up those numbers. Theirs is organic keywords of 700, yours is 37. Now, organic keywords are keywords that are buyer intent, like Commonwealth roofing. Usually if someone's looking up Commonwealth roofing, they're looking to buy something. This right here is a keyword that you're being ranked for, but it's not buyer intent, and it's not telling anybody that you need the roofs. Slate Roof Repair, Kentucky. I like to see Louisville, Kentucky in there. Add Louisville in front of that. Just throw a KY on there because you're getting 60 people that searches that a month, and the KD is 0. So what is wood shake roof? That is something that somebody types in just to find a definition or to answer a question. That does not drive buyer intent traffic to your site. You're looking for more things like Commonwealth Roofing, Louisville, Kentucky Roofing, things like that. So we went over today the content. Homepage needs to be about 1,500 to 2,000 words with keywords intertwined in there. About a keyword about every 100, 150 words. You want those bolded, interlinked, things like that, just to kind of pop in Google's eyes. Then we went over backlinks and citations, which is backlink is when you have your URL somewhere else on the web and it comes back to your page. Citation is just Yellow Pages or Yelp, Yext, something like that, where you put your name, address, and phone number, and that's all for business name, business address, business phone number. Then we went over organic keywords. Nick, I hope you found some value in these tips that I gave to you today. I hope to hear from you soon. Again, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. I'll be sending this from my email, and my cell phone number is 270-841-3600. Have a good night. Thanks for taking the time watching the video, Nick, and have a good one, buddy.